Welcome back. Now, in the Caribbean this evening, we continue to experience stable conditions and dry weather across the area. We're also seeing isolated clouds, isolated thunderstorms across sections of Hispaniola. However, the open waters of the basin and the western portion of the Greater Antilles continue to be under the influence of high pressure and stable conditions, and we expect much of the same as we move into the start of next week. Now, the forecast for tonight is for generally fair conditions across most of the island, when we're expecting temperatures to get to about 23 degrees Celsius in Kingston and also to 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. We're expecting 5-knot winds on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, look for partly cloudy conditions, especially if you're across sections of northern or southeastern parishes. And then for the afternoon, we do have some shower activity that we are forecasting to affect sections of northern parishes, especially late in the afternoon. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now let's have a look at the breakdown. Partly cloudy conditions are expected across sections of Morant Bay, also sections of Halfway Tree, Spanish Town, Maypole and Mandeville. We're expecting some shower activity in Santa Cruz, and we're also expecting some shower activity in the afternoon in Savannah and Marble. Look for partly cloudy conditions for Negril, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Windy conditions are increasing across the north tomorrow. We're also likely to be seeing some shower activity in the afternoon in Brownstown, as well as St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Port Maria and Port Antonio. But elsewhere, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy for Golden Spring, Bog Walk, as well as for Moco, Christiana, Grange Hill, Duncan's, Cay Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days, shower activity is likely in the afternoon on Monday, and thereafter partly cloudy conditions return for most of the afternoons for Tuesday and Wednesday. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are on the north coast tomorrow. They are at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then on the south coast tomorrow, we're also expecting east-northeasterlies at 10 to 15 knots, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. For offshore areas, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then for the outlook, we're expecting the winds at 10 to 15 knots from the east on Monday and also on Tuesday, but winds are expected to turn east-northeasterly on Wednesday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 7 past 6, 10 past 6 in Mandeville, and 13 past 6 in Negril. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.